So this first beaker is going to be a cold flask in a warm beaker. And what I want you to notice is the dye and what happens to it. So right now you'll see that the dye is concentrated in the flask at the bottom. You can see that the darker colors are at the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to watch and record after each minute or so how the dye moves and what happens to it. So you can see some bubbles rising to the surface, but there's still a space between the blue and the top of the actual flask. And you can record and see what the dye is doing. You can actually even see where the light color is separating from the more concentrated dark blue color at the bottom of the flask. And now you see there's even more of a contrast between the darker blue and the lighter blue color in the flask. And now the lighter blue is coming to the surface. Oh, we just lost a piece. And you can see that as that blue dye piece floated to the top, some of the blue dye started to come back down. And now our blue flask is kind of filled to the surface. There's no more space between the clear water and the blue water. So if you continue to watch very slowly, you can see some blue dye start to rise off the surface of the flask. And it's coming up very, very slowly.